We are here to compare the internet performance on an ordinary PC or a laptop to that of a Nova Navigator. Now, as you see on a ordinary PC or a laptop, the internet is a little slower in terms of the video performance when compared to Nova Navigator. Now, this is primarily because the bandwidth on a PC or a laptop is utilized in processes which are running on the operating system in the background and shared between the actual data a user downloads versus these processes. Whereas what happens in a Nova Navigator is that the updates are downloaded centrally on a server which is managed by Novatium, and these are then pushed to the Nova Navigator on a very specific schedule from time to time, which gives a clear, better user experience to the customer on the Nova Navigator. Let's take a look at some of the advantages that Nova Navigator gives to its customers. You can connect to your Nova Navigator and look at what is happening around the web camera if it is connected to the Nova Navigator by a feature called remote surveillance, which is a part of the overall management features that the Nova Navigator provides. Now you can visibly see your account information, charge your wallet, subscription, manage your profile, and manage some other features. So let's get into one of the features, which is remotely accessing what is happening around your Nova Navigator. So let's see this menu which says that start monitoring, and it's a good surveillance features which allows you to look at the surroundings. So here we see that there is a user connected to the Nova Navigator and is working from home. There is yet another feature which the Navigator provides remotely, and that is accessing your own files anywhere on the go. So if you have a remote access to files, you can really not need to carry anything physically. You can connect over the internet and get into your login account, access your files, download, and there we go. As simple as that. Thanks.